My name is Nathaniel Werner. Born in Ohio, raised in Colorado. Being a bladesmith for 7 years, I can tell you, I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel here, but I'm chasing quality products for the end user and or for custom orders for my clients that make sense to what they're trying to use it for. In the time of bladesmithing, I've learned that 90% on the anvil means 90% less time on the grinder. Everything is hypothetical until sharpened and in the sheath. And if I truly want something unique and quality, handmade is the way to do it. Welcome to Colorado Custom Leather and Blades. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Colorado Custom Leather and Blades. My name is Nate, the owner and your host. So this is just a normal Colorado Custom Leather and Blades. It's not a nasty civilian blog. It's not an ed show. This is just Colorado Custom Leather and Blades. And what I want to do in this video is tell you guys what you can be expecting in the next month as far as posts go, because I try to post at least once a week, if not several times a week within those three ranges. But I want to do more stuff focused on my craft, my art, and making blades, doing leather work, and doing some tutorials and stuff like that. So it's going to be a quick video, but what you can be expecting, and maybe you can tell me what you would like to see first. Would you like to see a forging video? Maybe doing a sax or something like that. But I'll tell you what my vision is before my wife and I get back on the road. She's a nurse contractor, and the next month or so we should be back on the road. So I'm going to be forging a bunch of production knives. It's going to be on the website, and assembling knives that I have already forged. So you can be expecting those things. But primarily what I would like to do is do a tutorial on how I do a hidden tang, because I'm working on improving that, and how I do a full tang knife, and probably some leather stuff. Like as I said, I consider myself more of an artist than just a craftsman. So something I did about a year ago, maybe a little over, is I don't just leather tool, or use tooling leather, I also tattoo leather. So I'm getting into hand poking tattoos and stuff just for leather and myself, but I'm going to probably maybe do some stuff like that. So I'm going to do some more tutorials on what I do leathercraft wise and more smithing wise, as I have you guys here in my shop I have myself here in the shop for the next month. But what would you guys like to see first? Would you like to see a tutorial on a hidden tang knife, full tang knife? What, as far as you being a craftsman, can I give maybe some guidance? I'm not, I've been doing this for over 7 years. I don't know everything, but I know a lot more than somebody starting day one. So if I can help you in any way, comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see. As I said, I want to show more of me, more of the art that I do, and start, more traffic to the website. But anyways, guys, I hope everyone's having an excellent start of the new year. I know I am really happy and just blessed to be back in my shop. I've taken so much shop time for granted. I mean, I am moving at lightning speed and getting so much done. Like today, I'm finishing 2 knives that I started basically a day ago, because yesterday I started to learn how to do Damascus the right way. This is the wrong way. That did not work. So I'm trying to move into the Damascus side of things. I'm not going to do a tutorial on that anytime soon. Right now it's just trying to figure out how to do a billet that I can forge out to a beautiful knife of some sort. So anyways, guys, God bless. Let me know in the comments what you want to see, and please help me get to 100 subscribers by May 2023 this year. All right, that's it, guys. Signing off. God bless. We'll see you soon.